Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Nashville Avenue is a residential street located in the uptown area of New Orleans. This corridor runs parallel to the Mississippi River and passes through neighborhoods shaped by the city's long relationship with trade, transportation, and community life. Nashville Avenue developed during the late 19th and early 20th centuries, a period when New Orleans was expanding beyond its historic core. As streetcar lines spread upriver, this area became attractive to middle-class families seeking quieter streets while remaining connected to downtown. The avenue was named after Nashville, Tennessee, reflecting a common practice of the time to reference other American cities. Much of the architecture along Nashville Avenue dates from the early 1900s. You'll notice a mix of shotgun houses, double galleries, and modest craftsman-style homes. Many feature raised foundations, wide porches, and tall windows, design elements adapted to the region's warm climate and seasonal flooding. This street sits near several important institutions that helped shape Uptown. Nearby schools, churches, and neighborhood businesses turn Nashville Avenue into a lived-in, community-oriented place rather than a commercial thoroughfare. Over the decades, families often lived here for generations, contributing to the area's strong neighborhood identity. During Hurricane Katrina in 2005, much of Uptown, including Nashville Avenue, experienced less severe flooding compared to other parts of the city. This allowed many homes to be restored more quickly, helping preserve the historic character seen today. As we continue along the avenue, notice the mature oak trees lining the street. These provide shade, reduce heat, and add to the calm residential feel. Streets like this are part of what gives New Orleans its reputation for walkable, human-scaled neighborhoods. Today, Nashville Avenue reflects the balance between preservation and everyday life. It's a street shaped not by grand landmarks, but by history, resilience, and the rhythms of daily living in New Orleans.